Here is a quick tutorial on creating a htaccess file in Plesk. Log in to your Plesk control panel using your account credentials. Click on Files under the Files and Databases section. Open the htaccess folder. This is typically the root directory of your website. Click the plus button and select Create File. In the dialog box, enter the file name as htaccess and click OK. The dot at the beginning of the file name makes it hidden. Open the htaccess file, add your desired directives, and click Save.